on Facebook for sale.
What did you do, Luke?
Oh,
It's fine.
Put that back.
let's start hauling this stuff.
It's all good.
Teenage drivers.
Cleaned up.
Tim, get your gloves.
I'm in a documentary role here. It's best
Corona.
that I don't get physically involved. Yeah, I have coronavirus.
You're gonna want to.
Did the virus take that tree down? How did that happen?
You know that, right? It's gonna be dark when he gets what you're saying.
No.
We may want to keep getting.
Oh, yeah. You're right. You're right. I was trying to follow what you were.
How you gonna keep the
I
looters?
just got here.
The looters out of here.
Shock. He's been through trauma. He's in
Oh my
shock.
God! I didn't even see the hood.
He is in shock still.
Yeah,
Who
it's
would've-
in rough shape.
Who parked that there?
Log line, man. Log line. Without taking this one.
Need that, Angie.
Or at least totally missed that guy. Because we're almost done, so. Yeah, I know. What's
Got-
going on with- He was all like.